Tired of that annoying payment method verification required message stopping you from downloading your favorite apps? First, let's dive into your iPhone Settings tab to open the Settings app. Now, at the very top, tap on your Apple ID where your name and profile picture are displayed. On the Apple ID screen, find and select Payment and Shipping. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to proceed. Go ahead and do that. Here, you'll see all the payment methods you have associated with your Apple ID. Tap on the first card listed. Double-check that the expiration date is correct and that the security code is up to date even if it looks right. Sometimes re-entering the information can solve the problem. If your card details are still valid, let's check your region settings. Go back to the Apple ID menu and tap on Media and Purchases. Tap View Account on the pop-up screen. Then select Country, Region. Now tap Change Country or Region and make sure that the country or region you've selected is correct and matches the billing address associated with your payment method. If any of your billing information is incorrect, update it here. Inaccurate or outdated details are a common cause of this error. Make sure the name and address are correct. And that's it. Once you've verified your payment information and region settings, try downloading or purchasing your desired app again. Hopefully, this solved your problem.